Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to the SQL 50 sheet series. So in this previous video, we completed 5 simple select projection problems, and from today we are starting the SQL joins. And in this video, we are going to solve the problem which is a replace employee ID with the unique ID using joins. So this video is perfect for the beginners who want to build a strong SQL fundamental and prepare for the coding interview. So I will explain the joins logic step by step so you can understand the concept, not just the solution. First of all, you will learn how the join will work in this query and the different between the matching IDs and the replacing values. So as far as now, we have solved these select 5 problems, and today we are going to solve these 2 problems of the basic joins. So let's start with the problem first. The what question says is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Okay. So for the join, we need the multiple tables, right? So in this question, we have the 2 tables, which is the employees and the employee uni. Uni means unique. Okay. And the employee table consists of 2 attributes, which is the ID and name. And the employee uni contains also 2 attributes, which is the ID and unique ID. And the common thing is the ID in the bot table, so we can join using the ID keyword. Okay, so let's see. The question says write a solution to show the unique ID of each user if a user does not have a unique ID. So we just have to replace just a show null. Okay, and we have to return the result table in any order. So let's see the input first. Here is the employee table, here is the employee unit table, and we can see there are common thing is a see 90, 11 and 3. Okay, and the output we just have to give the unique ID and the name of the employee. And if it is a unique ID is not present, for example for allies, okay, the allies entry is not here, not present here, so it's showing null. Okay, so there are the multiple joins, for example left join or right join. So which one to choose in this case? Okay, and here we have to show the null, means we have to show all the entries from the first table and the entries which are not present or not common in the second table, it will show automatically null. So in this case, if we assume it is a first table, it is a second table, then we have to use the left join. Okay, so let's try to write a query first. The what things we are needed to give this output is firstly select, which is a projection operator, select unique ID. We have to use a alias for this. Alias is simply a second name for the table. So we can give the uh, U for the unique. Okay, unique table. We want a unique ID and we want a name from the employee table. So we can give the E as alias, E dot name from. The syntax is a pretty simple. We have to just use a select and then what we are needed from. Now we are going to assume employee table as the first table, so we have to write employee table first, which is a okay employee, and this is the alias E, and then we have to use a left join, and then second table name, which is a employee uni, and alias as a U. Okay, and on which attribute we have to join these both tables. Okay, at the first of the at the start of this video I had told that ID is a common in both tables, right? So here we can use the ID. So for that reason we have to use on operator. U dot id equals to E dot id. Okay, so reread this again. Select U dot unique ID means unique ID from this table, name from employee table, from employee we given the E as a alias, then type of a join, then second table name, then alias for this table, and the condition on which we want to join the both tables. Okay, so let's hit the run button. Okay, so it's saying test.employee does not exist. So basically we can see that the spelling is wrong for the employee table. We have to write employees. Now it should run. Oh, what happened? Employee name also wrong. Okay, EMPid also spelling mistake. Silly mistakes. Yeah, it is a run, and let's try to submit. Yeah, so here is for this video. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye bye.